Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will find out the values of the inverse functions using the tables. Now, this is the table of the original function and this is the table of the inverse function. So, in the original function, we have the values of x, 2, minus 3, 8, minus 1, minus 2 and 4, and we have values of y, which is f of x. The values of y are 4, 5, 1, 3, 6 and minus 2. So how we will find out the values of the inverse functions? Whatever the values of x are in the original function as input, the same will be the values of y in the inverse function. That will be the output. It means the input of the original function is equal to the output of the inverse function, and the output of the original function is equal to the input of the inverse function. So like here you can see 2 and 4, and this 4 will be the input over here and this 2 will be the output over here. In the same way, here we have minus 3 and 5, so 5 and minus 3, 8, 1 and 1 and 8, so minus 1, 3, 3 and minus 1, minus 2 and 6, 6 and minus 2, 4 and minus 2, and here we have minus 2 and 4. So this is simply the reciprocal. And here we can write the equation f of x equal to y if and only if f inverse of y equal to x. So this figure is representing the inverse of a function. It means the input is the x in the original function and the output in the original function is y, and the output of the original function will be the input of the inverse function. In the same way, the input of the inverse function will be the output of the original function. So this is how it works. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.